Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I have a project share for you today. And this project share is part of the Saturday Morning Makes Open Collab sponsored by Jillian Norwood Designs. If you want to see what everybody's doing in the collab, look at the hashtag satmornmakes. What I made this week is, this is my bow I'm going to put on it. I made this box for my friend and I added some cards in. She loves this in a good card. That you know that if something's gone wrong or something happy happens in your life, she's going to send you a card. So I wanted to make some pretty simple cards for her. This one says, "Thank you so much." This is a happy birthday. This one is just because. And I liked how it turned out with the red stickles and everything. It looks so pretty. Oh, I love that card. I might have to make one for myself. And this one is sending birthday hugs. So I made her 4 cards so she would have them and be on hand to send out to her friends or send them to her friends so she doesn't have to run out to the store and buy a card. And I think the box came out pretty good. I think the box came out really good too. So I kind of decorated the box like this with some, kind of collaged it up. So I like the way it came out. Also, she likes hot chocolate. So while she's doing those cards for people and sending them out, I got this mug from the Dollar Tree for her. It's a nice, it's a big mug. Look at that. It's a big mug. Got the snowman face on it for $1.25. This is not bad. So if you go to your dollar store, check these out because this is a good, you can dress this up any old kind of way in a gift, but this is a wonderful wintertime gift. While I was there, I picked up the Swiss Miss Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Mix for her. 6 packages are in here to go with that. Her cards, her mug, and her hot chocolate. Is there a better gift than that for a friend just because you're thinking about her? That's what I did this week for Saturday Morning Makes. Remember to check out everybody's other makes and hashtag satmornmakes. I'll see you in another video. I'm working on some things and I want to share. Have a tutorial too that I want to show. So give this video a thumbs up. Think about going to the dollar store and picking up something. If you have a friend that loves to send cards, I think soon it's going to be International Card Making Day. So you might want to get on it, to start making those for friends and sending them out so they can have friends. I still love to get a card every now and then. It's good to get an email, but I love to get a card. But thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Be the reason somebody smiles, and I'll see you all in my next video. And thanks for stopping by. Bye now.